Hi everyone, welcome to QAWithSJ channel. In today's video, we are going to learn conditional statements. So basically, we do have four types of conditional statements like simple if, else if, nested if, and switch case statement also, which is advancement of else if. Let's see that. So basically, if statement, right? So in generally, this is how the syntax look like. If there is in a condition, so if the condition starts satisfies, then only it will going to into the statements. Else, it doesn't go into the statement. Simple. Like this is the input you are giving. It is just checking the condition. If it is true, it is go inside. Else, it go into the false. Let's do that with a programming language. There's nothing to explain much in the PPT. So the first one is simple if example. Let's suppose there is a number equal to 10. Okay. If that number is greater than 0, then let's do something else. The given number is positive. That's it. So what we are doing, there is a number, we are just checking a condition. So always the condition, if it is true, then only it goes inside. Otherwise, it doesn't go inside. Okay, let's run this program. So the given number is a positive. Let's give something like some -10. Isn't a positive number? No, right? So then there is nothing to print because it doesn't satisfy, so it doesn't go inside. So this is just an example. The next one is if and else. So now we have just in this case, what we did, we just check the condition. If it is satisfies, it go inside, right? What if doesn't satisfy? If you want to do something else, if doesn't satisfy, right? Then we can use if and else. Let's create one more program here. Then is something else, a new example. If else example. Okay, here let's check. Let's take an example of some number. Okay, so what that number will do? Let's take that some number 5. Okay, now what can we do here? Let's do one thing. If number modulus 2 equal to 0, so this is the condition to check whether a given number is even or not, right? So what can we do here? So the given number is even. What if it doesn't satisfy, right? In such cases, if you want to handle it, then you can do like this. The given number is odd. Very simple, right? So let's check that. So the number 5 isn't even. So it come here. So it execute line by line. It comes here and it will just check it here, and then it runs the Java application. You can see that that given number is odd. Let's give something even. Let's give 4. So the 4 is an even number, right? So then what will happen? If the condition satisfies, it go inside. So whatever the statements that are there inside this particular if block, those will execute. So the next one is else if. Okay. So the else if is for this. Let's create one. if else if example. So basically if you want to check multiple conditions, right, then you can use if else if. So here in if and if else examples, what we are doing, we are just checking a number satisfies. If it is true, then it's go inside, else it doesn't go. But if you want to check multiple conditions, right, then you can use this. Okay, let's see now. Let's suppose there is marks. Let's suppose if the marks is greater than 90 or greater than equal to 90, let's do this. Then what will happen? Then we can do print you got grade A. So we have to check multiple conditions, right, here. Else if the same marks greater than equal to 75, then you got B grade. You got grade B. Else if marks greater than equal to 35, then we'll print like you got grade C. So now here what is happening? You're checking multiple conditions. So if any of these conditions doesn't pass, then this is default else condition, something like you are failed. Okay, now let's run this. Let's give 95 the input. We'll see we got grade A. Let's give 60. If it is 60, then it would be grade C. Let's give 34, and now we can check it. Failed, right? So the next one would be nested if else, right? So what is a nested if else? So if loop inside an if loop, or else loop inside an else loop, or else loop inside an if loop, right? So that is called nested. Let's do check that program also. Nested if else. Okay, now let's go and check here. Let's suppose your age is 18, and even though you have you're eligible to vote, let's suppose you don't have voter ID, then you're not eligible, right? Voter card. Is voter card is voter card with you? Let's do that. If is greater than or equal to 18, then what can we do is, let's do print. We'll do one thing. Instead if, again we can check one more if. So this is a boolean, right? So what will happen here? It will check whether the voter has voter card or not. Then what will happen? You are eligible to vote. Let's suppose your age is greater than or equal to 18, but you don't have voter card, right? Then what will be the case? Instead of you're not eligible, let's do something else. You are not eligible as of now. Please do apply for voter ID or voter card. Let's suppose the age itself not greater than 18. Then what we can do is you are not eligible to vote. Now you are eligible to vote. Let me give something 17. You are not eligible to vote. Let me give something 25 and then let me give false here. Then the output would be different. So you're not eligible as of now. Please do apply for voter ID. I hope you understand the simple if else and nested if and if else if. Thank you for watching.